Let's change the position of elbows and knees. I'll be explaining with the user interface of version 2.3. Here I have the model. The elbow and knee direction control in the Pastel Action IK is very different to that in the regular IK. Let's look at a regular IK. Here we can see the IK bone for the knees. In addition to thigh, shin, top of the foot, and toes, there's another bone on the ankle. This bone on the ankle is dedicated to be used in IK. These bones are the same as those in Pastel Action. However, in a regular IK, usually there is another bone. IK moves the model like a puppet, so there needs to be a bone that acts like a string attached to the knee. Let's show the direction control bone on the knee. Another bone appears in front of the knee. In the regular IK, the knee is pulled toward the control bone, allowing you to change its position. Let's look at how it moves. You can see that the knee has moved according to the control bone. This works the same way for the elbows. Now let's look at how it works in Pastel Action. In Pastel Action, there's no direction control bone like this. Instead, the direction of the knee is linked to the rotation of the dedicated leg IK bone. And the direction of the elbow is linked to the hand's dedicated IK bone. Let me explain the differences between this and a regular IK. I'll use the knee as an example. With the regular IK, first you need to select the dedicated IK bone and move it in order to move the leg. Then, you need to select the direction control bone and move that bone in order to change the direction of the knee. Let's see what happens with Pastel Action. Let's look at the panel. With Pastel Action, you also first select the dedicated IK bone and move it to move the leg. Once you have moved the leg, leave the IK dedicated bone selected and rotate around the Y-axis in the Euler rotation window. Let's see the movement. You can see that when the IK dedicated bone is rotated, the knee's direction changes. This is all for the explanation about controlling the direction of the elbow and knees. Thank you for watching.